Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to change the oil on my pickup truck. This is a Ford F250 2011. It has 280,000 kilometers on it. I'm going to be using Castrol 5W20. This truck is required 520 all year round. I'm using some heavy duty oil stabilizer by Lucas. This stuff is very nice. It's very thick. And I'm using a Fram Ultra Synthetic. It's got a sure grip underneath it. It's like sandpaper, very nice and easy to grip. Okay, let's get it done. While I got the oil plug open, I like to add some good oil into the engine, and this, when it goes all the way down, it grabs everything, all the particles, and takes them out, whatever that didn't come out. Okay, so we got the drain plug back on, we got the new filter back on, we're ready for oil. This truck needs 6.7 liters of oil or 7 quarts. Okay, now we got to turn on the truck. Needs just a little bit more oil. Yeah, that's good there. One last thing to do is to reset the oil life reminder, and to do that is you open up the ignition but do not turn on the vehicle. Press setup. And then press reset, hold reset. And that's it, it's done. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your day.